Hello and welcome to Farland Classic Restoration's Around the Shop video for July 2019. We'll start with a custom 1966 Pontiac GTO that we've been working on here in the shop. We fabricated many parts of this one-off muscle machine, including a custom engine bay, bumpers, and more. This just came out of the paint booth after several late nights. It was too hot here in Colorado during the day, so a couple of all-nighters were needed. The results speak for themselves. Next is a Mexico blue Porsche 918 Spyder that was in for a complete ceramic coat. We prepared the surface of this amazing car, then applied multiple coats of our nanotechnology ceramic coating. This ultra-thin, ultra-protective coat will provide glossy protection for a lasting shine. We also just received this 1973 Ferrari Daytona Coupe for a paint color and interior change. We always love kicking off new restorations, especially when the car is something as special as a Ferrari Daytona. Stay tuned on this early 1970s classic. We're also excited about this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's a local Colorado car that's been in the same family since brand new. We'll start with mechanicals, getting the car running smoothly. Next, we'll work with the family to decide next steps for this family heirloom. Finally, in the Mercedes world, we just finished painting the hardtop for this 1978 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. It's great proof that there's no project too small for our experts to work on. Well, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember you can always subscribe by clicking here. Visit our site here, watch another video here, and as always, please give the video a thumbs up down below. See you next time. Remember, you can always call the shop at 303-761-1245 with your project.